Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. Today topic is preparations and properties of alkenes. What are alkenes? The alkenes are the organic compound. The general formula for the alkenes is CnH2n. Now the ethylene is C2H4. Now in this session we can understand the concepts of preparations and properties of alkenes. So first you take rough notes and then listen and then write on equations. Now for first preparation for the alkenes is we should take Cr triple bond Cr dash alkyl acetylene. In this acetylene the hydrogens are replaced by alkyl groups R and R dash. R and R dash are the different alkyl groups. So alkyl acetylene we are taking and then add hydrogens and the catalyst palladium, carbon, BaSO4. Palladium, carbon and BaSO4. This catalyst is called as Lindlar catalyst. Lindlar catalyst. What is Lindlar catalyst? Hydrogens and palladium, carbon, BaSO4 is called as Lindlar catalyst. We taking the alkane is prepared by taking first we should take alkyl acetylene and then add hydrogens and catalyst where it forms a cis alkane. What is cis alkane? The cis alkane are the same groups or atoms. Same groups or atoms are attached in the carbon same side of C double bond C is called as cis alkene. And the second preparation for alkene is we should taking alkyl acetylene and then add hydrogen and in presence of sodium liquid ammonia. Sodium and then add liquid ammonia, it gives a trans alkene. The same groups are in different sides of C double bond C is called as trans alkene. And the next preparation for the ethylene is we should taking acetylene. The molecular formula of acetylene is C2H2. The structure is like this CH triple bond CH. And then add Lindlar catalyst H2 palladium C and BaSO4. This is called as Lindlar catalyst and then it forms a CH2 double bond CH2. This is called as ethylene. These are the preparations alkene. And the next preparation is dehydrohalogenation. Next preparation is dehydrohalogenation. It gives ethylene. We should taking ethyl halide. Ethyl halide CH3CH2X. X is any halide. Halide means chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are halides. So we should taking one of the ethyl halide and then add alcoholic KOH. It produces ethylene. Ethylene molecular formula is C2H4. So the structure is like this CH2 double bond CH2. How CH2 double bond CH2 is formed? In this ethyl halide, in this hydrogen, in this carbon carrying one halogen. So the carbon hydrogen CH2 hydrogen CH halide. These are removed from the compound. So hydrogen and bromine is removed in the form of KX and H2O. So the alkyl halide adding alcoholic KOH, it produces ethylene. The dehydrohalogenation means the removal of hydrogen and halogens is called as dehydrohalogenation. And the next preparation for the alkene is we should taking 1,2-dibromoethane. 1,2-dibromoethane and then it passes through zinc. And then add zinc powder, it produces ethylene. So the zinc carry Br2, Zn And the next preparation for the alkene, ethylene, is one of the alkene is ethylene. So we should take ethyl alcohol. CH3CH2 CH3 CH2OH and then add concentrated H2SO4. Already we should know about concentrated H2SO4 is a dehydrating agent. Dehydration means removal of water molecule from the original compound. So we should add concentrated H2SO4 at 170 degrees centigrade and alumina Al2O3 at 350 degrees centigrade. So it produces ethylene and removes water molecule from the ethyl alcohol. So this process is called as dehydration. What the preparations of ethylene? The one of the preparations are we should take a Lindlar catalyst by using it forms cis alkenes, transalkenes and ethylene. And next preparation is dehydrohalogenation, halogenation and dehydration. These are the steps to prepare ethylene. And next one are properties of ethylene. Properties of ethylene. If we should take in properties of ethylene, we should write the property of ethylenes. We should take ethylene in presence of hydrogen and nickel catalyst. It produces ethane. Hydrogen adds, the single bond will be breaks and then it adds the hydrogen and hydrogen in the presence of nickel. Rannan nickel is used for hydrogen. It is taking 300 degrees Kelvins. So we should add a nickel catalyst and hydrogenation. This process is called as hydrogenation. It produces ethylene, produces ethane. And the next preparation, we should taking ethylene and then add chlorine in presence of carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride, it produces 1,2-dichloroethylene. 1,2-dichloroethylene. And the next property is ethylene and then add chlorine and hydrogen H2O. It produces 2-chloroethyl alcohol is produced. 2-chloroethyl alcohol is produced. 1, 2. In the second carbon atom adding chlorine atom. So the prefix is 2-chloroethyl alcohol. And the next property of ethylene is we should taking ethylene and add HCl. It produces ethyl chloride. And the next property is ethylene and then add H2SO4 in cold conditions. It produces ethyl hydrogen sulfate. And the next property of ethylene is CH2 double bond CH2, add hydrogen H2O and H plus. H plus means acid. So it produces alcohol, ethyl alcohol. And the next property is oxidation. Oxidation with KMnO4. Oxidation with KMnO4, cold dilute alkaline KMnO4 used for oxidation. CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O plus oxygen. Which reagent we are used to oxidize the ethylene group? Cold and dilute alkaline KMnO4. So it produces glycol. It produces glycol. In this H2O, H plus and OH minus. So this oxygen is added OH and OH. These two OH groups are attached to this. These are ethylene glycol is produced from ethylene. We are using cold and dilute alkaline KMnO4. And next property is ozonolysis of ethylene. Ethylene we are adding ozone. The ozone structure is cyclic structure, O bond O bond O. These are the tricyclic compound O. Every corner added oxygen atom. This is ozone structure. The ethylene is added to ozone. It produces ethylene ozonoide. Ethylene ozonoide, like this ethylene ozonoide. And then reduction with zinc and H2O. It produces formaldehyde and hydrogen peroxide. It produces formaldehyde and hydrogen peroxide. And the next preparation is polymerization. We are taking n times of ethylene. We are using high temperatures, high pressures and high catalyst. High temperature, high pressures and catalyst. It produces polyethylene. These are the preparations and properties of alkanes. Thank you. Please subscribe and share your friends.